What is an adjective? It's the description of a noun. Big, small, ugly, interesting, and so on. For example, this car is small. Now take a look at this car. Is it bigger or smaller than this car? Of course it's bigger. If we compare two or more nouns with an adjective, we call it comparison, like in this example. We compare two cars. How do we make a comparative form of an adjective? There are several rules to keep in mind. 1. If an adjective has one syllable, we add er to it to make a comparative form. Small, smaller, large, larger, bright, brighter, simple, simpler. And if an adjective ends in a single consonant, we double it. Big, bigger. For example, Jack is tall. Tom is tall too, but Tom is taller than Jack, and Jack is shorter than Tom. This car is fast, and this car is fast, but this car is faster than this car, and this car is slower than this car. This is a big phone, and this is a big phone. This phone is bigger than this phone, and this phone is smaller than this phone. So we add er to one-syllable adjective to make a comparative form. Keep in mind that if an adjective ends in a single consonant letter, we double it when we make a comparative. Big, one consonant G at the end. Bigger, double G. Here, if an adjective has two syllables and it ends in the letter Y, we change Y into I and add er to it. For example, happy, happier, lucky, luckier, sticky, stickier, ugly, uglier. If the adjective has two or more syllables, we don't change the adjective itself. We add the word more before it. Beautiful, more beautiful, useful, more useful, sarcastic, more sarcastic, colorful, more colorful. Very simple. So if there is one syllable in the adjective, we add er to it to make a comparative form. If there are two syllables, but the adjective ends in the letter Y, we change Y into I and also add er to it if the adjective has two or more syllables. We don't change the adjective, we just add the word more before it. However, there are exceptions. There are several words that don't follow these rules. Many. Its comparative form is more. I have more cars than he does. Much. Its comparative form is also more. Jack earns more money than Carl. Little, like the opposite of much. Its comparative form is less. Carl earns less money than Jack. Good, and its comparative form is better. It's better to eat a bowl of soup instead of a hamburger. Bad, and its comparative form is worse. The second movie is worse than the first one. Now, I will give you a little bit of practice here. Make a comparative form of the adjective I give you. It doesn't matter if you know the word or not. Good. Better. Interesting. More interesting. Funny. Funnier. Soft. Softer. Tacky. Tackier. Amazing. More amazing. Many. More. Lucky. Luckier. Awesome. More awesome. Bad. Worse. Much. More. Small. Smaller. Powerful. More powerful. Little. Less. Window. No. Window is not an adjective. Window is a noun. There are no comparative forms of nouns. However, comparative forms of adverbs and past participles. If you don't remember what they are, find their description in the previous lessons. Stay tuned.